Daniela, and today I'll be reading an extract from the book Mr. Stink, written by David Walliams, illustrated by Quentin Blake, and published by HarperCollins Children's Books. The Wanderer. Mr. Stink ate the sausages in an unexpected, elegant manner. First he took out a little linen napkin and tucked it under his chin. Next, he took an antique silver fork out of his breast pocket. Finally, he produced a dirty gold-rimmed china plate, which he gave to the Duchess and licked clean before he set down the sausages neatly upon it. Chloe stared at his cutlery and plate. This seemed like another to his past. Had he perhaps been a gentleman thief who crept into country houses at midnight and made off with the family silver? "Do you have any more sausages?" asked Mr. Stink, his mouth still full of sausage. "Oh, just those 8, I'm afraid," replied Chloe. She stood at a safe distance from the tramp, so that her eyes wouldn't start weeping. The Duchess looked up at Mr. Stink as he ate the sausages with a heartbreaking longing that suggested that love and all beauty was contained in those tubes of meat. "There you go, Duchess," said Mr. Stink, stuffing half a sausage into his dog's mouth. Duchess was so hungry she didn't even chew. Instead, she swallowed it in half a millisecond before returning to her expression of sausage longing. Had any man or beast ever eaten so quickly? Chloe was half expecting a gentleman in a blazer and slacks with a clipboard and stopwatch to appear and declare that the little black dog had set a new sausage-eating international world record. "So, young Chloe, is everything fine at home?" asked Mr. Stink, as he let the Duchess lick his fingers clean of any remnants of sausage juice. "I'm sorry," replied Chloe. "I asked if everything was fine at home, if things were tickety-boo. I am not sure you would be spending your Sunday talking to an old vagabond like me." "Vagabond? I don't like the word tramp. It makes you think of someone who smells." Chloe tried to conceal her surprise. Even the Duchess looked puzzled, and she didn't speak English, only dog. "I prefer vagabond or wanderer," continued Mr. Stink. The way he put it, thought Chloe, it sounded almost poetic, especially wanderer. She would love to be a wanderer. She would wander all around the world if she could, not stay in this boring little town where nothing happened that hadn't happened the day before. "There's nothing wrong at home. Everything is fine," said Chloe adamantly. "Are you sure?" inquired Mr. Stink, the wisdom some people have that cuts right through you like a knife through butter. Things were, in fact, not at all fine for Chloe. She was often ignored. Her mother doted on Annabel, probably because her youngest daughter was like a miniature vampire. Every inch of every wall in the house was covered with celebrations of Annabel's infinite achievements. Photographs of her standing smugly on winners' podiums, certificates bearing her name, emblazoned in italic gold, trophies and statuettes, engraved with winner, first place, or little creep. I made up that last one. The more Annabel achieved, the more Chloe felt. Her parents spent most of their lives providing a chauffeur service for Annabel's out-of-school activities. Her schedule was even to look at. And that was just the weekdays. The weekends were when things really got Annabel. No wonder Chloe felt ignored. "Well, I suppose things at home are," stammered Chloe. She wanted to talk to him about it, not sure how. Bong, 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 bong. No, I haven't lost my mind, readers. That was meant to be the church clock striking 4. She gasped and looked at her watch. 4 o'clock! Mother made her do her homework from 4 until 6 every day, even in the school holidays when she didn't have anything to do. Sorry, Mr. Stink, I have to go, she said. Secretly, Chloe was relieved. No one had ever asked how she felt before, and she was beginning to panic. Really, child? Said the old man, looking disappointed. Yes, I need to get home. Mother will be furious if I don't get at least a C in maths next term. She sets me extra tests during the holidays. That doesn't sound much like a holiday to me, said Mr. Stink.